Hey everybody, welcome to a special edition of 5 Minutes with Laura Rocha of ActivMed Practices and Research. Hey Laura,
Hello, John. How are you?
terrific, terrific. I'm calling this a special episode because you have something really important and really interesting related to COVID vaccine that I wanted you to share with everybody. So let us in. What's going on?
I really appreciate this opportunity. We have started enrolling a COVID-19 vaccine study up in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. It's right off of the highway on Pease Air on the trade post, and we are looking for 1,500 subjects. We are enrolling like fire right now. We are seeing patients Monday through Saturday, and people are able to get into this study if they're over the age of 18. That
Okay.
would include the age of 18, that is of consent. And there is no limit to the age now. So anyone that is out and about in the public, it is at risk of getting COVID, they would qualify for this. As well as you need to know there is 7 appointments. The first 2 appointments are the injection, and that would be the first one that we see you, and 4 weeks later. There are 5 other visits during the course of 2 years that this study will be going on. A lot of people ask, who's the sponsor of the study? Well, it's
Right.
AstraZeneca.
Okay.
So that's a big question in people's minds. Another thing to be aware of is that you can't have had COVID already and that you have to be in good health. So there are a few requirements. We'll ask you a couple questions and then schedule the appointment. So I have been working probably nonstop the last 2 days. And as soon as I get off this call, I will be making phone calls again, just to schedule people that are interested in it. We do have doctors, we have PAs, we have NPs, we have RNs, we have a lot of health professionals coming in for this study. So as you can see, they see the importance of finding
Yeah.
a cure for this disease. This is a very difficult time, everyone being locked down during this pandemic. And we are so excited to be part of the vaccine study that AstraZeneca is doing.
Yeah, this is huge. I'm so glad that I know you because I found out about this, and you're finishing up your first week. And how's the first week going so far?
The first week has been very busy. We had a little lull because once you get a green light to start enrolling in a study, there's amount of time that you have to put into making phone calls, doing the scheduling. It has to be according to other people's schedules. They've got to look at their schedule for today and then 4 weeks from now, because then they need to come in for the second. So it's been really, really busy on the phones. The staff is working long hours, but it is so exciting because this is something that we have been waiting for all summer. We have been working on with them. Going through a study doesn't just happen. There are a
Right.
lot of things that have to happen before they can put it to the phase 3 where we are. So right now it's been approved for safety. They're just trying to test the efficacy, which means how effective is it?
Okay. Okay. So somebody wants to take part in the study. How does that happen? How do they do that?
Well, they can go to our website. If they go to ActivMed Practices and Research website, they can look at the COVID study. They can register right online to have someone call them. They can call our office. And for the office number, they can call 978-655-7155 in Methuen, and we can register them for the Portsmouth office, or they can call the Portsmouth office, which is kind of crazy. So sometimes the phones are being forwarded to us, if they're overwhelmed, and that's 603-319-8863. All you have to do is let them know you're interested in enrolling in the COVID vaccine study. We'll ask you a few questions to qualify you, and then we will get you set up with an appointment. The appointment for the first one is about 2 hours. And so we ask people to fill out their medical questionnaire prior to getting there to shorten that for everyone.
That's awesome, Laura. Thank you so much for doing this and exposing the study to folks, and I appreciate that. Um, so I wanted to do this special edition because I thought that this was very important for people to know. So, hey, everybody, get on the study, give a call, get on the website. 5 minutes with Laura Rocha from ActivMed Practices and Research, COVID-19 vaccine study.
Thank you very
See
much.
ya. You're
I
welcome.
hope to see you all soon.